JASMY coin is another symbolic that has been acquiring consideration in the realm of advanced monetary standards. It's the main Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two partnerships and individuals with interesting and creative information stockpiling prospects. How about we investigate it closer and make some JASMY coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time? What is JASMY coin? JASMY coin is a new blockchain project from Japan. It was sent off in October 2021 by the Advancement Group, Kunitake Ando, Kazumasa Sato, Masanobu Yoshida, and Hiroshi Harada. The blockchain innovation created by JASMY means to re-establish and shield individual information control. It joins conventional Web of Things with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to administer their own information safely. JASMY's decentralized blockchain is worked to safeguard clients' information and give them all-out command over how and when it is used. To do as such, the JASMY network utilizes Interplanetary Record Framework, or IPFS, which joins Shrewd Protector and Security Information Communicator. The task likewise offers its clients individual information storage where they can securely keep their data. The objective is to lay out a setting where clients would genuinely control their information and choose how to utilize it. IoT gadgets will be a wellspring of new information that develops in the information storage. Is it great to purchase JASMY coin? There is no straightforward solution to whether purchasing JASMY coin is great. From one perspective, this digital currency has been inconceivably unstable, and that implies that financial backers might actually rake in some serious cash assuming they purchase when the cost is low and sell when it spikes. Be that as it may, there is likewise a lot of chance included, and JASMY coin has been known to unexpectedly crash. The marking stage, which is right now a work in progress, ought to build the liquidity of the token. This might actually influence JASMY's future cost and market capitalization positively. Likewise, we shouldn't fail to remember that JASMY is an exceptionally youthful cash on the crypto market, so there isn't a lot of significant market information, and its genuine worth is challenging to gauge. So eventually, it relies upon your gamble resilience and speculation objectives. In the event that you're willing to take a risk and you're okay with likely misfortunes, then purchasing JASMY coin could be a decent choice. None of the substance on Changelly, including JASMY token cost expectation, is speculation guidance, nor is it a substitution of counsel from a guaranteed monetary organizer. Prior to choosing to purchase JASMY coin, we prescribe you to do your own exploration. JASMY coin value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of JASMY coin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of JASMY coin will be $0. The greatest level that the JASMY cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. JASMY value figure for January 2023. In light of the value variances of JASMY coin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical JASMY pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. February 2023, JASMY coin value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the JASMY cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of JASMY coin may be around $0. JASMY value gauge for WALK 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of JASMY coin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal JASMY rate they foresee may be around $0 WALK 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. April 2023, JASMY coin value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the JASMY cost will be exchanged at $0 and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the JASMY coin worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. JASMY value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down JASMY coin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The most reduced and top JASMY rates may be $0. June 2023, JASMY coin value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the JASMY cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the JASMY coin cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. JASMY value gauge for July 2023. Having dissected JASMY coin costs, digital money specialists expect that the JASMY rate could arrive at a limit of $0 July 2023. It may, be then as it may, drop to $0. For July 2023, The anticipated normal of JASMY coin is almost $0. August 2023, JASMY coin value gauge. Around mid-2022, the JASMY coin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the JASMY cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0. JASMY value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the JASMY coin worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. October 2023, JASMY coin value gauge. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of JASMY costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of JASMY coin will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. JASMY value estimate for November 2023. In view of the value variances of JASMY coin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical JASMY pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. December 2023, JASMY coin value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the JASMY cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the most extreme could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of JASMY coin may be around $0. JASMY coin value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of JASMY coin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of JASMY coin will be around $0. The most extreme expected JASMY cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. JASMY coin value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of JASMY coin, in 2024, JASMY is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 1 cent and 1 cent, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 1 cent. JASMY coin value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of JASMY coin and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base JASMY cost could drop to 1 cent, while its most extreme can reach 1 cent. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 1 cent. JASMY coin value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of JASMY coin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least JASMY costs are normal in 2026, 2 cents and 2 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 2 cents. JASMY coin value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the variances of JASMY coin. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical JASMY cost will be around 3 cents. It could drop to at least 3 cents, however it actually could reach 3 cents all through 2027. JASMY coin value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of JASMY coin. It is assessed that